So I talked a little bit about how easy EOS makes it to onboard into cryptocurrency. So I figured, why not do a little show and tell. So in this video, I'm going to walk through an example of onboarding, if that's all right with you. So as we start out here, go into our app store. For me, that's the Apple App Store. I'm going to search for the Anchor Wallet. And it'll be the first thing that pops up there. And the second item in the list is the Anchor Wallet by Graymass. I'm going to go ahead and download that. Your option may say install, but follow the appropriate sequence. From there, you can open the wallet right from the App Store, and that will take you into the product. From here, you simply tap Create Account. In this case, we're going to create an EOS account, and it's going to cost me a whopping $2 to do that. You can see that I can create accounts on other EOSIO based blockchains as well. So we'll type the EOS account. I'm going to type my account name. All right, that's available. I'll go ahead and hit next. And I've got some options here. I want to use biometrics. I see the price, verify that we want to be on the EOS network. Once I'm happy with this, I can go ahead and choose Pay and Create. Integrated with in-app purchases, I give my fingerprint. My account will be created once I authenticate with my Apple ID. And I'm going to blank out this dialog for obvious reasons. Go ahead and enter my password. Creating account. Give my thumbprint for the whopping $2 expense to create this account. Nice integration with in-app purchases, by the way. And done. So just like that, my purchase is successful and my account has been created. Now, I'm going to go through the steps of backing up my account, which I highly recommend you do. And to do this, make sure that your mobile device is on a network and can print on a network with a printer and has access to print to that printer. Once you do that, go ahead and hit print. We'll generate my certificate. And I'm going to opt to print directly to my printer. Note that you can choose the share option here to send it via email or iMessages or something like that. At least on iOS, I'm not sure how that would flow on Android. And obviously in the screens that pop up here, there are going to be some things that I'm going to obscure for obvious reasons. Go ahead and select my printer, print my certificate. All right. And that is printing. I'll grab the sheet of paper off the printer. And then there's a verification process that you need to go through once you've gotten that hard copy or the backup copy of your security keys. We'll walk through that briefly. Obviously, I'll be obscuring areas of the screen to protect my information. But on this screen, you're going to see your encryption key. There will be 6 words that you'll need to write down on the certificate that you just printed, or otherwise note them on the certificate that you just saved or shared. If you lose access to this information or the certificate itself, you will lose access to your account. So very important to heed the protocol here and go through a robust verification activity so as to protect your account. If you need to recover it in the future, you want to be able to do that without any stress. So I'm writing these things down now. Once I'm done, I'll go ahead and continue. I'll leave the screen recording going just so you have a feel for how long it takes to go through something like this. Feel free to fast forward if you'd like. I'll try to remember to put chapter markers in the video for your convenience. All right, and with the words making up your encryption key written down, you're now going to go through a verification process for your encryption keywords. It'll ask you to check these off in order. You're not seeing the actual words for obvious reasons, but you have a 2-column table here, and again, you need to select the words of your encryption key in the order that they were presented on the previous screen. Once we do that, we go next. We will heed the warning to keep those things secret, and our account is now created. We are all set to now go and utilize, actually, the next step would be to get yourself some EOS tokens, and if you're ready to learn more about how to do that, the video that pops up on the right-hand side of your screen was produced to walk you through that exact process using the Coinbase cryptocurrency exchange. So head on over there to continue your education.